Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair, and this video requires just an intro really, but a quick one. So guys, this is the 1000th video I've released on this channel. Who would have thought? I certainly didn't think, but you know what guys, we're here, 1000 videos. So I'd just like to say thanks to all you lot, because if it wasn't for you lot watching these videos, this wouldn't have happened. It's a nice place to be. And we're just going to celebrate slightly, so we're going to have just some funny outtakes, yeah, a few things that happened over the last few months. So just sit back, enjoy it, and once more, thanks guys for your support. Otherwise, we would never have had 1000 videos. Hola, 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 see. Hi guys. Pardon me. Respect the Coke.
Yeah, you got one for the
outtakes.
for the bloopers reel.
Yeah, that's the one. Blooped. Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. Let's see. Power on. Does it start? It powers on but doesn't boot. Okay. No bleeps. I'll take the RAM out. Let's go again, so without RAM. Powers on, doesn't boot. Just make sure this is actually got a good connection in the slot. Again. Yeah, this one's not booting. I know why. Okay. Okay, we'll power on. Let's see what this does. So switch on. And it's booting. So this is the socket. The soldering on it looks just fine. I mean, this looks fine here, and this is the center pin.
Guys, you have no idea.
Oh!
Why is the speakers on?
We had one yesterday. Shall I start that again? Shall I just go find something else to?
No. 5 minutes he's been here.
Sorry.
Well, let me try it again. So this is the socket, and we can see that the solder joints all look fine on it. To be honest, it's held down at this end and this end, and that is a center pin. If we put this in here, it's quite positive, but you see something's moving in there at the end, and it's not the center pin. It's like this plastic bit. Now, I'm kind of assuming that the actual outer part of it is also the connection, but let's just check that. Right. You can say a few words if you like. Yeah.
We need to choose them carefully.
Hopefully I have enough solder to hold it in place. Yes, I do. And now I can kind of like push on this. I'll try and get the thing to focus for you guys. Zoom out a little bit, okay. So I can now push this in properly. Ow! And burn myself. Okay? Don't do it that way. Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. This is the RTX 30. Speak properly with it. Oh, see. Oh, see.
Just a reminder, when the German one comes in, I need to talk with. So if you want to go deep into a video.
Well, I can't record it in chunks, as you know.
Yeah, of course, but just excusing myself in front.
Okay. Hola, see. Hi guys, welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. You all saw this, or a lot of you did, on the video I published a couple of days or so ago. This is the fake MOSFET tester. This was on that video, how to test MOSFETs, and I know a lot of you enjoyed that. So I mentioned during the video that it actually
The second I was giving up. Of course, now it prints it 2 times. You jerk.
Yeah.
Or it just does one, just for the hell of it, really.
Of course, yeah. It's teasing me. Sorry, guys.
Okay. Again.
Bastard. If it ever known mean machines printers are.
They have a special circuit that detects the emotional state of the user.
Yes, I'm 100%.
Yeah.
With you,
And the chance of the work is inversely proportional to the emotional state of the user.
yeah. And of the importance of the. I need to print now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, and the more important it is, the less likely it is to work. I know it's designed that way. It's not designed that way. Okay, and I mentioned during that video, I actually never uploaded this to PCBWay.com, who are sponsoring this video, by the way, today. And the reason being, this was the version 0, really. And there was a lot of problems with this to do with the switch in particular. You see, I had to effectively lash this together, and it does work, mostly, yeah. But what happened? No, have a think about this. And this is actually the prototype of the MOSFET detectors I built. This is like the version 0.1. Oh.
Sorry. Okay, come on. Give me 15 seconds.
Okay. That'll be an outtake.
Now the damn tape is sticking to the. Okay, come on, record.
It powers up, okay, all the voltage rails come up, but it's just not detected. Initially, it wouldn't come on at all. You can watch the first video about that. But basically now it powers up, but it just doesn't do anything. But basically, on the second video, it powers up and just isn't detected. But on the second video, you see... And on the second video, you see that it's powered up, it just isn't detected, okay? I traced... Oh. Okay. Is that your final answer?
Yeah. I'm giving up now.
Believe.
I'm on strike.
What are we going to find? Well, this is my black meter lead. So on this one, quite clearly, 12 volts comes in.
Let's see.
Oh,
Why is this on?
I don't know. We played that video yesterday.
So
Okay.
pause the video right now and watch this video if you want to have more details here, because we don't want to do the details.
I've just spotted something, so somewhere in the short code here is quite a nice little sequence of letters.
I didn't realize that.
That's what we think of mains powered non-isolated supplies, maybe. That's what YouTube for, yeah? Okay. It's certainly something you'll know you've got in your hand. Hi guys, just a quick intro to this one then. So, I was going to make a... Oh, no. Hi guys, just a quick intro to this one then. So I had a few jobs in the workshop, none of which were really long enough to make a video. I record all the repairs I do and then publish the ones that are worth publishing, basically. But I had a day but I had half a day, well, no, not, but I had a handful of jobs and all fairly small. They came all from one customer apart from the first item. So I thought, you know what, let's put this lot together. So this is kind of like typically what happens in the workshop between, say, 10 and midday. So this is typical what might happen when I start work at 10 in the morning till about midday when it's about lunchtime. So yeah, see what you think, guys. Some fairly small repairs, but you know what, it all adds up, yeah, and it's all money. So enjoy. So here we go. Hi guys, just a quick intro on this one. So this is a fairly typical morning in the workshop. I usually check all my emails and do the various admin side of things. I mean, Julie does a lot of it, fair enough. And that's a great help, but I still have to check emails and whatever. So about 10 in the morning, I then start working and start recording. And this time, just a few jobs. So one item is one I looked at before, which basically, so, hi guys. I will add, by the way, I have the late. Something fell off. It's all right.
I forgot I plugged my phone in for charge and I picked it up and
It fell. Her.
it's over there.
Okay. I have my bench power supply set to 16 volts. Let's see how much current this draws. That also might be interesting. So 140 milliamps. Nothing lit up though. Off. On. Ah. And here is the multimeter. So this is the first bench multimeter I've ever reviewed. In actual fact, we'll just take the screen protector off. Like so.
Okay.
I don't think.
Yep,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to. Okay, ready. Oh yeah. Okay. One moment. We start like this, yeah.
It's not like that, yeah.
We go after I say hi,
Yeah,
guys. We
okay.
do this, yeah.
Come in.
Hi guys.
Hi,
Welcome
guys.
to.
Sorry.
You ready? Yeah, you say join with me with a welcome, yeah?
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys. Welcome to Learn Electronics Repair.
Wow.
Yeah, and a video spot. Oh, we've got fucking now after this again because this wasn't on screen. But we know what to do now, yeah?
Okay, we know what to do.
Are you hiding?
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys. Welcome to Learn It.
That
We are.
was so good.
Ready?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hi
Hi guys. Welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. And Detlef was hidden by the PCB for far too long. So here's
Sorry.
Detlef with me today, and you can see this is a sponsored video by PCBWay. And we have some PCBs. So let's get straight to the point and show you. What we have today.
Yeah, if you got black and white, this would be the solution there. And I really like the contrast. So, and what, to show you, we can. Of course,
You take the power and it still stays there.
Yeah, took it off right while it was refreshing. So,
So
let me try this again.
let me try a 0.1 ohm. So 0.1 ohms. Kelvin probes. Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics. You know, I thought I got something sticking up on my hair, and it's not. It's something behind me in your corner. Yeah, it looks like there's something black, like something sticking out the middle of my head. What's it? However, it is. If you come here, you can. Oh, it says it's the edge of that.
It's sticking out, yeah.
Yeah, if you look there, in the picture in the corner.
Oh yeah, look like you're a little punky sticky uppy bit.
Which is that?
Yeah.
Nothing. Well, okay. Right, I'll deal with it. Nothing I can do. There's nothing you can.
You've got what do you call it? What's that thing going down the middle? The Mohican.
A Mohican. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Right. Hi guys, welcome to Learn Electronics Repair. So a few weeks ago I asked on the live stream, I showed the guys, these are the circuit boards, what do you think? And a few viewers were a bit familiar with this and they said, oh yeah, these large Mitsubishi CRT TVs, which are actually rather collectible and fetch quite a high price for that reason, have some known issues, and one of them is a problem with the voltage doubler. That's this thing. So this is your line also frog in my throat. It wasn't shoutout. Stops again. And it's done this again. Sometimes I got into the habit of just watching it for a couple of seconds and say, yeah, it's recording. I think it's the mouse. I think the mouse is a little bit dodgy and kind of double quick sometimes, if you know what I mean.
Just you were talking there. Oh, you did.
No. Yeah, but I wasn't recording at the time because that's why I was saying, oh, you little bitch. Oh, okay. So, bitch be gone. Right. Hi guys, welcome to Learning. Hi guys, welcome to Learning Electronics Repair and 2 amplifiers. Yes. Hi guy. Hi. Hi guy. Hi guy. Hi. Hi guys. Hi guy. Hi. Hi. Hi guy. Hi. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. ORC. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. And today we're going to build or design. Hi guys. Welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. And today we're going to design a fake bipolar transistor detector / tester. Okay. But just before we get to that, I think it's quite interesting to see how this project evolved. So this started originally from the fake MOSFET detector. I was having some issues with fake MOSFETs and I wanted to find a way to determine if they were fake before I stuck them in some device I was repairing and possibly cause more. No. Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Stick your mum down. Oh. Hi guys, welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. And today we're going to design a fake transistor detector, shall we call it. So this is for bipolar transistors. And the idea is to detect whether replacement parts are genuine or fake, or at least are rated as good as the original ones were. Will they do the job? Okay. Nothing could be absolute in these tests, but I think this will give us a good indication. But just before we get to that, I have this on my desk, and this is the fake MOSFET detector which I designed and built. And it's interesting to look at this because this kind of evolved into the fake transistor bipolar tester. Because this kind of evolved into the project we're going to look at today, the fake bipolar transistor detector. No, I'm just thinking, yeah, they are bipolar transistors. What they're called. They were transistors were bipolar long before people were. I'll mention that. That's a good bit. But yeah. Okay, right. Hi guys, welcome to Learning Electronics Repair. And today we're going to design a fake transistor tester. This is for testing bipolar transistors. And I'll just mention, because Julie behind me did have a little giggle at this, that bipolar transistors have been around a lot longer than bipolar people have. Okay, so